Hey guys. So yeah, hi. Today I'm gonna show you my what is it? gOrEtObeR, I think, because I forgot to and I got too lazy and I had to go swimming during November and it was just very painful and stressful. So yes, now I'm here actually showcasing it or showing it. Toe beans. Look at the toe beans. And guess what? More toe beans. And then let me get to the page. Oh look, there it is. Okay, this one. Nope. There I am. So day one, nosebleed. I changed the picture into a digital picture. So this one's not really important. We have this one, and there's the human. Look at the human. But yes, there's this one. It's Angry Man from Why Love Me meme, or any other angry person who watches Ryland or Ryland, I'm pretty sure. And day two is bruises. Just kidding, bruises. Day one was nosebleed. Next, a lot of this is gonna be based off of like the three main, like my three favorite characters. Well, not my favorite, but it's Ryland, Dallas I don't think is in here. So Ryland and Loki, but Loki is literally everywhere. She's female and oh boy does she, man, edgy. And we have these little thingies over here, don't mind them. And then this one was bites, and I literally didn't feel like doing that, so I just did that. There's Loki, killed her dad when she went crazy, go stupid. Next is that kitchen. Oh look, Loki again. Look at her go. She's having fun. This is like, I forgot to mention that this is like all edgy, so yes. And then we have possession, and oh man, look at it. It's Loki, except her head isn't cut off. I just cut it off for that. But look at her go. Man, those stupid antlers. And then there's Ryland. Oh, poor baby. And there's Mouth. And there's Edgy Man. And once you don't follow maps. That's your new rule. He followed that map and ran into this dude. He followed that map. Chained and restricted. This was perfect for Loki because she was held in captivity for a long time. And look at her tiny wings. They were chopped off. Stupid humans. Well, this one is not really gory, but it's glitched. Yeah. There's some more gory things ahead. Oh, like this one called Bloodlust. And I was gonna draw my dude in my fake meme, but I forgot how. And then next is Sliced, and it's Inky Paw's birthday, I'm pretty sure, and I drew it for her because she was one of my best friends. Go subscribe to her, please. I put her in the description of my Halloween meme, so yes. She got cut in half. Chop. Chop, 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 chop. Also, yeah, happy late birthday, I forgot. I should have made this literally on the 31st. Sorry it's been 2 months later after your birthday, but happy birthday! And then we got Candy Pastel / Candy Gore, and wow! He's happy to be choppeted. Oh hey doggo, how you doing? What? Gross. And then, are you looking at my art? And we have these random doodles. Don't mind them. Don't mind the leg fish. Don't mind that either. And this card don't work on my arm. Blocking the light. Mama, you're blocking the light. Oh my god. No, just scoot your butt. No. Hey, she's listening to us. Alright, oh god. I don't care. I'm posting this anyway, even if I have my chin in it. I'm ugly. Then next we have knives. And then there's this crazy boy. And then next we have wing growth. I didn't mean to color this in marker. Like, I screwed up really bad. I made it horrible once it was really good. But it's Loki again. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. And then next we have gut spill. A jerk in my class decided to do that. But besides that, look at that. Ew. Ew, it's shiny too. That's nasty. Then I did all this nasty stuff. He looks real good. Poor baby. Look at him. He's like, oh no. And then, oh, look, a plane. That's day 14, and then we move on to day 15, which is not in this book, but on more paper. Then we have medical. Here's my suicidal, or, okay, so, yeah, he takes a lot of drugs. He's probably gonna overdose, but somehow he doesn't. Man, you gotta stop doing that, Buster. He wears a blue bow tie, light blue belly, and he's all white. I was making a good meme for him until Flipclip decided to delete itself. Oh, this is stupid. And then there's electrocution. This one isn't really important. It don't even look that good, really. Never mind. And bears. Next we have laceration. Pretty sure it dealt stitches, so don't attack me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Look at the boy. It was gonna go across his mouth. Really, I got too lazy and I was just like, screw it. Do it where he was supposed to put it at. Next we have Hanaki disease. Hanaki disease or whatever. And holy moly, he's throwing up flowers, dude. Look at him go. What? Oh, for some reason, this is a lot. It reminds me of Limo. And then next is cannibalism. Yeah, look, it's not a wolf for once. I just decided to make some random creature and be like, there you go. He's just like, arr, arr, arr. Next is acid, day 20. And holy moly, I forgot about this. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. Steamy boy. And then next is drowning. Okay. Next is experiment. Okay, I had fun making this one. Like, a lot. Look at this. Look at this boy. It's my boy. Please don't steal him. He's like, if you get inspired from any of these, please tell me. Or put credit in the description, or just credit in general, because I worked hard on these every day during school. But, yeah, this is experiment. Look, I like his patterns. Look at that. Look at him. Next is plant growth. My favorite day for some reason, because I had an idea of a dead body and then plants growing out of it. But guess what? Didn't do that. So I'm still very proud of this. It's still pretty cool. Next is multilation. Oh, it's like... Okay, so I remember drawing this one and I had a lot of fun making it. It's just multiple of this one dog. Look at him. So his arm is on top of his neck, if you're wondering. He was just like, ah! He's like, don't do that. And he was like, so this is mad. This is hecka mad. Sad boy. And then next we have, what is that? Burn. Oh wow, I also had fun with this one as well. Not really important, but yeah. Then next we have brainwashed. Yeah, it's Ryland again. Hey, baby. Then we have Ryland again. And then after that is sobbing. This one, okay, I really like this one a lot. And guess what? It's a girl, Loki. But yeah, it's Loki. I had a lot of fun with this one. When she, like, hated, she, like, doesn't like this a lot. She was held in captivity for, like, a whole long time, like a few years maybe. She was sad. She got really sad. And then next. Oh wow, murder. Look at the boy. He looks so happy. There you go. You're so shiny. You're so shiny. You're so shiny. Shishy shiny. And then, yeah. And then next is impaled. I'll find this one as well. Bye, Skyro. Hi, Mama. I love you. Oh, let me fix brainwash. It's upside down. Oh, no, Mama. She just crawled on the bed. Impalation. See, I'm in danger. It's supposed to be gory, but I don't feel like it. Oh my. Loki again. Anything from choice. And I chose hide. Loki, that's Loki. That's some random kiddo. She was out in the wild after getting obsessed and killing her whole entire family. She, like, has these, like, episodes of just being edgy and just, her demon is just like, hey, I'm gonna kill anything I see, you know? And then that's what she did. She almost killed this little baby. And then clawed over and... Sorry. Oh, my dog really sang. Oh, she farted. Oh, okay. So, then it crawled and it decided to land right there and trying to, like, relax. Ugh. And then next is Trick or Treat. Day 31. I didn't want to go with the gory approach, just I got bored and went with this one instead. But I hope you guys liked gOrEtObeR. What? Yeah, he's a little bee. Anyways, I hope you like it. I want y'all to have a good day. I know cop is going around, except I probably don't need to worry too much because, well, I don't post a lot really anymore, and really just no child-friendly stuff. I'm not child-friendly, really. Like, okay, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish y'all a very good day. Goodbye.